chunky then. And I'm recording. I'll go to Moxie's bar.
Oh, it's not the Sandhawk. I'm not using the Sandhawk anymore. I'm using the Tatler.
Oh, what's this quest here?
And she's going to inspect it.
Oh no! Oh no!
And what are you knowing?
Are you brave and or foolish enough to seek a cursed weapon?
Oh, the Bane.
Hell hath no fury, like a woman scorned. I think that's how it goes.
Please, finish this pain.
Hey, Slab!
Want to break some stuff?
I always want to break some stuff. I just picked up a bunch of side quests.
Oh, she's dead. How does that make sense? She didn't dig the poem. She's dead.
She didn't dick the poem.
You fucking arsehole, she's dead. What do you want to do? I want...
Is this a double penetrating Uncle Dad?
It's not Uncle Dad.
Oh yeah.
I want to do the Bane. Let's ask Marcus about the Bane.
I don't want to do the Bane.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't want to do the Bane.
Well, what do you know?
I don't want to do the
What do
Bane.
you know?
I don't want to do the
What
Bane.
do you know?
I don't want to do the Bane. Never know the man.
What do you know?
Nah.
What do you know?
Rip the baby there. Dip it there.
What do you know?
Fab the boo.
What do you know?
Vivid the bibby the bear.
What do you know?
Shibbity wah.
What do you know?
Shibbity
Does
wah.
that not apply to you?
Huh?
Does that not apply to you?
Yeah, he did. He said that he wanted me to help him with writing. But I'm gonna fuck off because I'm recording. That's not what I actually said. I believe there. I don't want to do that, man.
What do you know?
I don't want to do that,
What
man.
do you know?
Yeah, me do me.
What do you know?
I don't want to do that,
What do
man.
you know?
I don't want to do that, man.
What do you know?
I want to do it.
What do you know?
I want to do it, man.
I'm gonna make you feel even more, I'm gonna make you feel even better about the fact that we're doing Bane.
Why?
We have to go to lunch break. How does that make you feel?
You see, it's not that I hate Lynchwood because of Lynchwood. It's Lynchwood makes me upset.
Why? Oh, yeah.
Hanging bodies.
Come on, Deathtrap. Well, look at him. Look at Deathtrap.
Hey, where's Deathtrap? He's got frickin' angel wings.
What the fuck? What? What? Why does he look like he is? Oh yeah, she's still road, isn't it?
Oh my god, I've just realised something.
Deathtrap, why are you shooting a fire laser at a fire enemy?
Not only is Wolf and Saint Deathtrap split in two, but Wilhelm is Deathtrap.
Oh, help me, Deathtrap.
Imagine if it speaks like it's got an asthma attack.
Best robot ever.
Can you imagine that? If the Bane spoke like Bane?
That'd be hilarious. Do you know what's really helpful about Sam?
He's not here right now.
He says, we can go to his house. It doesn't tell us when, what time, when we have to be there, or anything like that. It literally just says, yeah, it's fine.
If he doesn't specify, I'm not going.
After then. You're talking to him, kind of.
Okay, hang on.
Quickly, get a car. We must go to McNally. I remember when I did this quest on Gage.
You're on Gage right now.
No, my other Gage. The other day, I remember I did this quest the other day on Gage, and I killed McNally and I got his legendary straight away. That's right.
Where is McNally? Is he down here?
Yeah, he's in the little alleyway. Yeah. Can we kill him? Can we kill him? Don't you dare hurt him. No. Good job, Robin. Fuck you. It's a bit weird because he's a psycho, yet he sounds like an old person. What is it? Hold on, I need to look something up.
Have we killed Nisha yet?
Hammerbuster. Yes.
I don't think we have.
Hammerbuster, unusually high damage compared to similar rifles. Let me kill him. Let me kill him. Let me kill him. Where are they? No, we've got nothing usable.
I don't think we have killed Nisha.
We have side quests here. No, we haven't.
Have we killed Akina's mum yet?
No, we don't. We won't do that until after Rowan dies.
Oh, we have a side quest.
We have not killed the limited sheriff. I like that quest.
Does she have the same voice actor in pre-sequel?
Yeah. Oh, finally, we've got missions that are actually normal, not trivial.
Have we... got run over by a train. Do we have the element quest?
No, not yet. Okay, basically, I'm going to give you a little tip now. My death trap has now got an ability that he will shoot out a electrical orb. Basically, the idea is that one of us has to shoot that electrical orb.
Huh.
When we shoot it, it does area of effect damage.
Including me.
Yes. God damn, man. See, I haven't got enough perks to even help with my build whatsoever, so it's kind of shitty at the moment. So I'm just kind of stuck with all this shop stuff, but it's actually quite okay. Dude, to your right, chop him. Never mind.
Okay. I don't know how I manage that, because that only happens when my buzz axe is on cooldown.
No, the fight for your life thing is a constant thing. It's the instantaneous reviving, isn't it?
Yeah, but it only instantaneously revives you when my buzz axe is on cooldown.
But I thought I killed something. Did I instantaneously revive?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. But that is confusing. Yes, go.
At least I think it's on when my buzz is on cooldown. I have to look at the skill description.
Yeah, I think it is as well, actually. Go on, Death Champ. Right, I'm gonna go.
Let me read the skill description. Which skill is it? Where is it? Is it like the fuse?
No, it's the one with the Angel Halo.
Oh. You can instantly revive the downed teammates. After reviving a teammate in this way, you must fight for your life. You may revive this way only once each time Buzzard's Rampage is on cooldown.
Maybe it was in cooldown.
You may revive in this way only once each time Buzzard's Rampage is on cooldown. Yeah, so it must have been on cooldown.
You must have gone into it. instantly revived me, which killed you, because when you go into your power, your ability's on cooldown.
Yeah. Fine food, Dookie now.
My god, shock and gauge. I'm really tempted to call this character Shock and Awe.
New Haven. Isn't Nunu the Hoover from Teletubbies?
Yes. I think you know that. Worries me.
It should.
Well, it does, so congratulations.
I'm gonna go get Dukina's food.
One person asked Lelong,
No. What? Okay. What should I ask him?
just say, hi, Harry told me that it's a-okay for us to be over your
let me-
house. But just
What-
let me put what I say, because yeah, it would be polite and nice. Wait, I haven't told you what to put yet.
I said, what time do we need to be there?
No, just say this. I have college tomorrow, so it's a bit of an inconvenience for me because well, it's a bit awkward for me. So, what time do you want us there? What time do you want us gone? Are we staying over your house over the night? That'll be the question. Actually, you didn't actually say that. Wait, who's the bastard?
Can you please stop? Please kill the thing that's killing me.
I'm nowhere near you, mate. You will destroy its insides, don't worry. I'm going to kill Mad Dog.
I'm gonna get Dukina's food. Wanna join me?
I'm nowhere near you, mate. I'm about to kill Mad Dog.
Bloody hell. Damn, you're strong. Oh, what a shot.
I hate rat thieves, don't I? Oh fuck, okay, I'm taking the bomb to the wrong place, I'm taking the bomb to the wrong place, I'm taking the bomb to the wrong place, I'm taking the bomb to the wrong place. No. Actually, she might have a different voice because the one in the preschool sounds... her voice sounds much lighter. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Lab rats, mad dogs.
Rampage and fill the red bar.
Mad dogs, if not Chuck is legendary, I am disappointed. Shut up.
Of course I hit myself in the head.
I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, fuck you. No, it's kill or be killed in this scat world.
Dog eat dog.
Pretty much, yeah.
I hope you're right, because I can't get you.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
you're okay, so I'm not with you. Will you sit down and anyways chop it off in time? I wondered why people would actually not fight them. Right, I will go do the skag quest after we finish this quest with Kino, because that way we can kill the skags in this area and get the skag bonus.
Okay.
I'm so good with shock now.
Oh, I've got the hiccups.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
What a shame. It's as if it was destiny. Are you okay?
Yep.
I think the winning from Fight for Your Life is a bit overpowered because the Fight for Your Life 50% time extender is really OP.
Yeah. But it does take forever to kill something.
It's not a bad thing.
If an enemy is on full health, it's practically...
That's why you should invest into Blood Explosion, because if you manage to kill one tiny enemy, all the other enemies around you will literally just explode.
That's good.
Collect that last skag meat thing.
I got it.
Have you? Awesome.
The sheriff here with this week's bounty.
Quicker than the
The Lambert
skag,
Twins,
go on your feet.
$5,000. Head Blanton, $8,600. Slab King, $25,000. Alive is preferable, but I'll take him dead if he's got sufficiently entertaining video evidence.
There we go, now I can go get the... I'll go this way.
Do I need to be up here?
You need to be up there.
You know the lift.
Yeah, go that way and I'll meet you from the other side.
I'm not familiar with this area, I don't know where to go.
Just literally go straight and then make a left and there'll be like a big open space and a bunch of drills. That's literally where you gotta go and just down. I really don't know how to get snapped. I just leveled up. I really don't know how to get snapped on, that's the problem.
Oh, I just did something for the main quest.
Oh, probably fun. I could, right now, I could get the perk, no, not right now, but when I level up next, I can get the perk that allows me to make Death Trap into an element, and I think I'm gonna get it.
Good.
Can you counter into explosion? Because that would be fucking helpful.
It's Bloodwing all over again.
I just literally just sit there with my gun barrel, just going, yeah, what up, bitch.
Where did you tell me to go?
When you go up that lift,
Yeah?
when you go up that lift, go straight on.
There is no straight on, there's left or right.
You went up the big lift, right, near the skag den.
No.
Wait, what lift? Oh, you are in the wrong lift. Never mind. Just go back the way that you came to get the skag food.
I did something for the main quest, that's good.
Yeah, that's actually really helpful. You need to start that way anyway because there is the other main quest is there. Hence you trying to report to the main quest. Yeah, I just thought I made that obvious.
You did a good job with that.
A skag was just killed by the drill, and I just got a skag time for it. Well fucking done, skags. Well done.
You shouldn't be complaining.
No, I shouldn't. I don't know how to get the skag times. I think... Actually, I really just don't know how to get the skag times. It's really random.
Just kill them, isn't it?
No, it's not, because you can just kill them and you sometimes won't get it.
Maybe it's a random drop.
Oh, I hope not.
Or maybe you have to kill them in the mouth.
I didn't kill that one with that, because I didn't have execution.
Oh. Then... something's up with that.
It's like, fuck, I don't know. Alright, what's next? Come hither.
Come hither.
I didn't get skag time. Yes, I did. We are one skag time away. There's another skag here. There is another. Hey, quickly brush out into the healer.
I just ran past him.
Sorry. I'm doing progress. Good job, I'm running. Let's have some fun. Whoa, lag there. Are you doing anything on the internet?
No. Not even listening to Spotify.
I'm getting lag and a half.
It's not me. The only thing I'm doing on the internet is
Ding ding ding.
Borderlands 2 and TeamSpeak.
Damn.
New digs.
Big dog.
Dig dog, yo, diggy dog.
Hold on.
I can get the final blue skill.
Can you?
Yeah.
You should totally get it because the shit.
Badass Psycho Mutant.
I heard the one of Black before.
Why is Dukino all the fucking way over here?
You have to follow him.
Ew.
Yeah, bro, there'd be some lag.
It's not lagging for me.
Of course it's not your game.
Is that why you keep dying? How bad is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Well, it's just practically killed me, and I just fired 10 shots, and well, they're not shooting. Well, they are, but in bursts, like lag bursts, sort of shit. Oh, managed to get a second win. Like that was a lucky second win.
And you're down again.
Oh, fuck.
Should you try quitting and rejoining?
Oh, I did it.
Try quitting and rejoining.
Okay, hold on, I'm right next to the base, so I just want to do this. It's a shock thing. I sure still want to use it a little bit, but I'm not going to. Don't do anything major then.
I won't. I'll stay right here. Did I get the Bane too?
Yeah, I just want to suppress.
Base Bane, corrosive. Bane in Spain stays mainly on the plane. I got some purple loot. Where are you at?
Okay. I am up here. This is quite a weird place to spawn in.
Considering there's no spawn point up there.
Dude, you might want to restart the game because the coating bomb of laxative is literally just stuck.
What do you mean stuck?
Yeah. It's stuck. The coating bomb of laxative shouldn't be there anymore. If you look, breaking the bank, it shouldn't be coat bomb of laxative. It should be get skag bomb.
Okay, hang on.